Okay, Michelle.
Down.
Nature shaded means M-I-N-S.
This is M-I-C-H-E-L-L-E. That's your name, Michelle.
Don't you make it M-I-N-S 是谁呀？ 不是我，我这是 S-U-N. S-U-N.
Oh, you're Michelle's son, yes. Okay, so you're meant to start Kindy, right? Yes, but there's this 2-week thing, so we're gonna have to learn Kindy ourselves. Okay?
我不能说 English 跟一个爸爸呀，我 only 说一个 Chinese 跟一个爸爸。
Yes, usually we speak Chinese, but now we speak English. Okay, so it's.
This is my name.
Yeah, that's your name. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna learn today, okay? Okay, and we're only gonna go for 20 minutes, so you don't have to concentrate for too long. Yeah. Is the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay. So numbers. You know what numbers are?
Yes.
So we have some idea of what numbers are, though what they are is a bit mysterious actually. Okay, numbers from 1, so that's the number 1, right? To 20. Yes?
Yes.
Have you seen this before?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so we're going to learn the numbers from 1 to 20. Oh, well, let's see what you can do, okay? If you can do it, we may be able to focus on other things. So, can you count from 1 to 20?
Yes.
Can you count for me?
Yes. 1.
Yes.
1.
Another 1.
Yes.
1, 1. 1. 1. Then you count 1 twice. So what comes after 1? 2. Yeah. So later you also have to write this yourself, okay? You write down 2. Okay, what's next? 3? Yeah. 4, yes. You can say it louder if you want. 5. 6. 1 again. You're being silly now. Come on. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12, yes. 13.
16. No, 14.
14, yeah. 15. 16, yeah. 17. 18. 19. 20. Excellent. You see there's a bit of a pattern, right? If you can keep going, you go up to 9, right? We only ever use 9 different symbols, right? See, when we use once the 9 symbols finish, we go back to the 1, right, and 0 again. Okay, so maybe we could say 0 to 20. if we start with 0 here, yeah? Yeah? Okay. And you can actually keep going, right? Yeah. So you can keep going pretty far actually, and it's interesting that you only need to use 9 symbols. So these 9 numbers here, right? And you can count as far as you like. Okay.
0, 1,
If you only need 2 symbols, if you only had 0 and 1, you could count as far as you like.
2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1.
Yeah.
Why do I have ones next to the numbers?
Ones.
Yes.
Oh, these ones.
No, not those
No.
ones.
Yeah,
They're small, tiny ones.
oh, these things.
Yes.
Oh, good question. So these are commas, okay?
Oh.
So these things are called commas. I was actually
Color
wondering.
ones.
Comma. So do you know what a full stop is? So if I said this was the end, that would be like a full stop, okay? Right? And this is a comma.
And one is the scribble part.
Yeah. So comma is like a little pause, okay? You stop for a little bit, but you don't stop completely, okay? Okay. It's kind of like a you don't understand giveaway sign, but okay. And full stop is when
What's
the
right,
yes, you fall. Okay. So yeah, so we use these commas to kind of space out the numbers so that you don't think it's 23. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And in English, when you write commas, it means it's a little pause. Okay. You stop for a little bit, but you keep going. All right. But if you have a full stop, which is what this is, like a dot, okay, it means you stop. All right. Okay. Good. So this kind of thing, you know, there's lots of ways you can change this to make it more interesting and difficult. Sometimes you can just make it more difficult without making it more interesting, depending on what happens. So would you be able to count backwards from 20 to 1?
Yes.
Can you tell me how to do count it backwards?
Yes. 20.
You do it quickly.
21.
It's a little bit different in English, isn't it, huh? 20. What's next?
90.
19, yeah.
80.
What's after 18? Yeah, it's a little bit higher.
17.
Yeah, 17, okay.
16.
16. 15. Okay, that's good.
This is my days.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking.
14, okay. 13.
And I think it's 20.
20.
And 20 is over there.
Yeah.
It's the 1 and the 2.
Mm-hmm.
1 and the 2.
12.
Start with 11.
11.
And 10.
10. Yeah.
And 9.
9.
8.
8.
And there is 1 now. I think I know. 7. No, 6.
6.
2, 1, 0.
Hi. Yeah, I guess so. 0. Yeah, well done. So it's a little bit, well,
Hard to count to 1.
a little bit harder to count backwards, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I guess. So we don't want to just remember the numbers in sequence. We want to kind of have an understanding of the numbers as a whole, right? So another thing you could do is, could you count from 0 to 20 in twos? Okay.
0 to 20.
So you have 0, right? Add 2 every time instead of 1. Okay. Count by 2. Okay.
Yes.
So there's another way of saying plus 2. Okay. Would you be able to count by 2s?
Yes.
Okay. How would you do it?
But I can't see the words. The numbers.
Oh, maybe I'll start for you. Let's start at 0.
0,
And you count by 2.
2,
Yeah.
4,
Oh, good.
and 6.
Yes.
And what next? I think I know. 7.
7.
Nope. 8.
8. Okay, good.
10.
10.
Well, I think it's 1 and a 2.
Oh, 12, yeah?
Oh, I think it's 1 and a 4.
14, yeah.
Smashing my butt, smashing my butt.
That would be silly. Come on. 14.
16. I think it's 18. I think it's
20. Okay, good. Okay, so.
Why is the 0 like a circle?
Yeah, 0 is like a circle. I don't know.
It's supposed to be like an O snack. O snack.
Okay, so there's one more little exercise on the board. Then we get to you to do some exercises on paper, okay?
No, but
So.
I think I don't know.
Okay, do you know? So if I have a line, okay? So pick your favorite number from 0 to 20.
1, the fastest.
1.
Yes, it's the fastest.
Okay, so you have 0, 1, and 20 here, okay? Yeah? Can you pick another number?
3,
3. Another one?
2.
Oh, you pick all the small numbers, huh?
Yes.
What about, can you pick a bigger number?
Yes. 10.
10? Huh. Okay, well that's interesting. Okay, so where would you put 10 on this line? Is it
The
0?
middle.
Oh, you put it in the middle, huh? That's good. Okay, put 10 in the middle. I like that. Okay. You have any other numbers you want to say?
Yes.
Yeah, what?
100.
100 is a little bit off this line.
Oh.
But you're right, if you count in 1, if you can count to 20, you can also count in hundreds, right? So you can actually count like, what, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, right? You can do 500. Does that make sense?
Yes.
600, 700.
Why
What comes
are
next?
you using
What comes next?
I think I know. 800.
800, right?
900.
900. If you can count to 20, you can do a lot. Yeah, 1,000 we call 1,000, okay? And then what's next?
I think What did I say again? Oh, 1,000
Yeah.
means 1,100.
1,100. Actually, people do actually say 1,100, so that's not bad.
And 2100. Actually, no, 2 and a 100.
You're trying to say 1 and 2, right? But you don't know the word for it?
Yes. I think I know 12.
12, okay. So we're going to have to practice that word later, okay? 12. Okay, 1200.
1300.
1300, yep.
1400.
1400.
1500.
Yep.
1600.
Mm-hmm.
1700.
Yeah.
1800. 1900. 2000.
Yeah, so 2000 we call 2000, okay? So this is another word that you haven't learned before. 1000. But see, so basically counting from 1 to 20 shouldn't be underestimated, right? There's lots of things you can do counting from 1 to 20. If you can count 1 to 20, you can actually count from 0 to 2000, okay? In hundreds. Okay.
But that's 20,000.
Okay, well you picked your favorite numbers. What if I pick some of my favorite numbers? Like one of my numbers that I like is 12, okay? Where does 12 go here?
On the middle of 20 and 10.
Or is it right in the middle here?
Yes.
It's not quite there, is it? Because 12 is closer to 10, isn't it?
Yes. But the 11's next to 10 plus B.
Okay, 11 is next to 10, that's fine. Alright? And where's 12?
Wow. Next to 11.
Yeah, it's next to 11, right? So it's not quite half, you know? There's still a few more numbers you can put in there, right?
I'm going to choose my favorite number. 13. Next to 12.
13 next to 12?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, there's not going to fit too many more numbers. Okay.
14 next to 13. 14 next to 13.
Yeah.
15 next to 14.
Yeah, I think I'm convinced you can do that. So let me just save some. So if I said something like 10, okay, plus 4, okay. Do you know what I mean by that? 14. So why is it 4? So it's 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah? That's 14. Okay? So if I said like 7 plus 2,
Maybe that's easy.
uh-huh.
It's 10.
Not 10.
Where's the 7 go? 7 plus
Okay.
2.
I see you're using your fingers, yes?
1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.
9, yeah. Alright, but we have ways of doing it here too, right? Because you have 7,
9 is next to 10.
8, 9, right? 7 plus 2, what we mean by plus 2 is you go 7, then you go 1 and 2, right? Okay?
I've got my favorite number here.
Yeah, so we're going to take a break for 5 minutes of exercises, and it's going to be basically writing out these things and doing some plussing with these small numbers, okay? Alright? Excellent.